You've probably been wondering how to analyze the over 1.5 market. In this video, I'll break it down step by step and show you how to increase your winning chances. So we'll be focusing on the Premier League and we'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Liverpool versus Arsenal. So checking the last 12 matches, you can see that on January 7th, 2024, we can see that 2 goals were scored in total, and the market of which we'll be obviously focusing on is the over 1.5. And here you can see that our market worked here. Our market did like review on the next match, February 4th, 2024. We can see that our market worked. 4 goals were scored in total. Somebody doing the match, so market did work. Review the next match, August 1, 2024, we could see that 3 goals were scored in total, so our market did work. Guys, can you see that this market is working? It's been working 3 times. So here you can see that our market did work, guys. Our market did work. Can you see that? So right now we review on the next match. On October 27, 2024, we can see that our market worked, guys. 4 goals were scored in total. 4 goals were scored in total. And guys, note this. While you are analyzing, right? Analyzing for the over 1.5 market, right? You should check whether the market did work 4 times or 5 times during the last 5 matches. Because if it worked maybe around 3 or 2 or 1 time, you could have a less chance of winning your bet, like a low chance of winning your bet. Because your bet would be risky. You also not be sure about the bet. So right now we're in the next match, October 27, 2024. We can see that our market worked there. Our market worked, right? Our market worked. 4 goals were scored in total. So we're moving on my next match, right? On May 11th, 2025. We can see that our market worked. 4 goals were scored in total. Our market did like here, 4 goals were scored in total. So guys, as we are analyzing, right, you can see that our market worked 5 times in a row. Our market worked 5 times, guys. So this shows us that our market has a high chance of winning, guys. If you take this kind of bet, you have a high chance of winning our bet, right? So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.